Hi, I am Karen from Karen Clark Creations and Artsy Introvert. In this video, I'll be working on Friends Season 2, Episode 5, the one with 5 steaks and an eggplant. I really had to think hard about this spread in my sketchbook. And please don't look too far below the bottom of the page because I painted Episode 6 before Episode 5, so spoiler alert. Many of the ideas I had for these episodes are related to food, and I just didn't want it to be the main focal point for these 2 pages. So I dug deep, and instead of painting the 5 steaks and the eggplant for Phoebe, I focused on the Hootie and the Blowfish part of the storyline. There is a skit that Monica and Chandler and Ross put on, and part of it has Chandler saying, 6 tickets to Hootie and the Blowfish. And when he doesn't get the response he was hoping for, he repeats, the Blowfish. So now, living in my sketchbook for the rest of time, or until someone throws it out, is an adorable blowfish and 6 tickets to see Hootie and the Blowfish. So I decided I needed to outline this in pen because the pencil I'm using, it's just like a cheap Bic pencil, but it tends to smear, and that's getting on my nerves because most of the pages are staying the color of the paper, and I didn't want smudges all over it. So I outlined the box with the blowfish, and I outlined the concert tickets in pen ahead of time before I started the painting. I also I made a fake little concert ticket, and I used that to trace so I could get a random pattern behind the cute little blowfish. So that's what you see in the very beginning of the video, me moving that fake ticket out of the way. It's just a silly little ticket, you know. I don't even know what concert tickets look like anymore because they're always on your phone. But I thought it would be a really cute nod to the 90s when you did actually have actual tickets. So the blowfish, I went to Google for this. I tried looking for a copyright-free photo of a blowfish, but it was really hard to find. So I just looked at a bunch of pictures and made up this little guy. You know, I gave him fun colors because I thought it would be cool to do, and I just went with it. It's not 100% accurate, but my goodness, this little dude comes out so cute in the end. I urge you to stick with me or fast forward to the end if you really want to, but so cute. Those big bulbous eyeballs are just so cute. So I'm just gonna keep layering up colors. I wanted some texture because these fish definitely have little bumps and bobs, not just the spikes on their skin, but they have texture, and they have different colors depending on where they are in the water, and I just wanted it to be fun. So I am layering up all kinds of colors, and I even threw in some cobalt teal. I think it's called cobalt teal blue, Daniel Smith, that is a really big granulating color. I love that color so much, and it worked out great for this little guy's face. I did think about using some Frisket or masking fluid to preserve the whites of the fish, of his mouth and the eyes and the areas on the fins or flippers. I don't know what those are called, fins or flippers, and the spikes. But then I realized that would just cause me more work than I wanted. So I am using white gouache right here to add in those white bits, and it worked wonderfully. Oh, look at that little mouth. He's so cute. You guys, he's so cute. And here come the adorable little spikes. Oh my goodness. If I were one of those creators that are out there that made stickers, I would absolutely turn this little dude into a sticker. So cute. I decided to also use the gouache down in the vegetation that's growing up from the bottom of the water. I didn't really know if I wanted that in there, but since I added a little bit of the darkness, I thought it would be really cool, and I'm glad I did, because it just adds a little extra interest, I think, to the painting. So there's a little fake ticket I made. It's ridiculous, I know. And I'm going to use it as a reference to figure out where to put the writing on the tickets that are back there. It's not perfect. Okay, it's not perfect. I did look up some of the albums that Hootie and the Blowfish had, and kind of figured out what they used for it, but you know, it's not that important, really. So that top one there I'm putting in now, it should have been a little bit bigger. The HO should have gone down behind the ticket behind it, but whatever, it's fine. That's what I'm telling myself. And then you see I made like little scribbles there to make it look like there was fine print. Now the only thing I did do that I wish I hadn't done, I just put seat 162A. Well, what about the section and the row? It's like they went to a concert venue that had like 200 seats and that doesn't make sense. Oh, it just doesn't make sense. I don't care. I say I don't care. I do care, but it's done now. I can't change it. So then I'm adding a little bit of shadow to make those tickets look like they're layered. And then I'm writing in the quote, 6 tickets to Hootie and the Blowfish. The Blowfish. So here it is. This was season 2, episode 5. Let me know in the comments what you think about this episode of Friends and my painting. Give me a like and subscribe. I could really use the subscribers. Share this with your friends that also love the TV show Friends. Hit the bell for notifications of newly uploaded videos because the next episode will be out soon.